Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to show you how to generate the ASC claim service bill. So, first you have to log into the ASC. ASC login. ASC you have to ask the ASC to get it login through CRM, or you can also log in. And after logging, you have to go to the claim call management, claim and incentive. Here you have to update the service claim. After clicking on the service claim, you have to select the month and after that year. After month and year, you have to put it on search. It will ask you for the invoice number. So please make sure you take the invoice number from the service center only. Don't put your own. आपको सर्विस सेंटर से ही सर्विस इनवॉइस नंबर लेना है, अपनी मर्जी से न डालें. सर्विस सेंटर से इनवॉइस नंबर लेके वहां पे प्रॉपरली अपडेट करें, उसके बाद ही आगे प्रोसेस करें. प्लीज ध्यान रखना कि कोई भी अपना इनवॉइस नंबर न डाले, सर्विस सेंटर से लेके ही डाले. ओके, मैं यहाँ पे टेस्ट डालूंगा. टेस्ट आज की डेट. रीजन यही है, मैं आपको बताऊंगा रीजन क्या है कस्टमर उनसे लेने का. अपडेट जब आप अपडेट करेंगे, व्हेन यू click on update, invoice number update successfully it will show. Okay, and here you can see the claim summary and service claim download. This will come when invoice number is updated with ASC. And when you click on this claim summary, you can see here the claim report in PDF file, and after you will get it over here PDF file, the bill summary. So see, this Sai Electrical is the service center name, his address, his GST number, SAP code. This is the tax invoice. Reverse charges invoice number. This is the invoice number which I have put it over there. Test Ravi 01052019. You can see it over here. Date of supply March month bill. Here the our company name, and here also the details of receiver, details of the consignee, shaped the two. Here will be coming the total reimbursement for the service center. HSN code, taxable value, including GST. Total tax amount, including tax amount. This is the tax invoice. The Annexure 2 is given below down, monthly service repair summary. This will show you how many calls he has done in the month of particular month and what are the call details. Okay. So here in warranty calls 162, multiple rejected calls, service charges, up country traveling charges, deduction, total claim payable 41913. This bill is not valid till this has been approved by the ASI. Action level, action date, action by, action status, remarks. This all will be updated and this all will be approved when the ASI will approve the claim. I will show you. But if you want to give some deduction to the service center, you can put it on the during the time of approval. Okay, I will download this for your references so that you can see. Okay, so first ASC has to log in. He has to go on this claim call management, claim and incentive. After that on service claim. After clicking on the service claim, he select the month and the year, and he will go on search and put the invoice and update it. I am repeating again, don't put your invoice number or any other invoice number in the system to update the service claim of the franchisee. Ask service center only to give the invoice number. सर्विस सेंटर से ही पूछ के इनवॉइस नंबर डालें. After updating, ASI has to approve the claim. So ASI has to log in. ASI will go to the call management, claim and incentive, claim approval. Please see here, it is given here claim approval. Here he has to approve the claim of the franchisee. When you click on it, you have to select the location of his Mumbai sub branch. My Mumbai is Mumbai. Whichever the sub branch is here, you can take it over there. Company type ASC. Put the ASC name over here. Month, year, and search. Here came the claim ID, this ASC name and everything. The amount is there, 41913, which was there. So please memorize this amount, 41913. If you want to get any deduction of the franchisee, you can click it over here. Approval, approved remarks, or how much amount you want to approve, you can click over here. If you want to deduct 1000 rupees, just do it 40913.6. I have deducted 1000 rupees and here will be the remarks why I am deducted. It is test call deduction of rupees 1000. If you want to deduct for the wrong closer or for the rejected calls or for the penalty calls, whatever you want to reject the amount, you can reject the amount from here. Okay, and after that you can put it over approve. If you want to reject it, you can reject it, or only if you want to deduct 1000 rupees, deduct on the 1000 and click on the status approve and then submit it. It will ask please verify before you going to submit. Okay, so it has been saved successfully. Okay, now ASI will log in. I will show you. ASI will log in 642. Okay, 4589. Now ASC can get this print which approved claim is there. He can get this print, put it on stamp and signature and send it to the respective ASI. March 2019 search. Now he will not ask for the invoice number because we have already put the invoice number for the March. So here service center can click on the claim summary. Here it has been generated. See, the claim has been generated, tax invoice. Here invoice number has came, everything. The approved amount is 48278, 4367 total after taxation. You can see the annexure down here. See, deduction I have done 1000 rupees. It has came over here the 1000 rupees deduction. And approved amount 40913 which was approved. And this action 1, action date, action by Ravi Chaurasia, action status approved. After the approval only, service center can take this printout, put a stamp and signature over here and send it to the both the papers and send it to this our location office or the ASI. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you very much. If any issue, you can call